First of all, wish you all my lovely viewers a very happy Holi. Now that Holi has come, let's celebrate this festival of colors with the most appropriate drink for this occasion, which is Thandai. I have also got one bonus tip for you at the end of this video, so keep watching till the end. For a serve of 4, you require 1.5 liters of condensed milk, 25 peeled and blanched almonds, 20 soaked cashew nuts, 30 blanched and peeled pistachios, 3 tablespoons of soaked melon seeds, which is also known as magaz, 3 tablespoons soaked poppy seeds, that is khuskhus or posto, few strands of saffron, 1.5 cups of sugar, 8 to 10 green cardamoms, 20 to 25 rose petals for its exquisite flavor, cinnamon 1 stick, and 8 to 10 black peppercorns, which is a must. First we will take a grinder, put in the almonds, cashew nuts, pistachios, melon seeds, poppy seeds with a little amount of milk and grind them to a smooth paste. Now we shall set the milk to boil on high flame. Here we will add in the saffron and mix. When the milk begins to boil, we will add sugar and stir it well because it's a good amount of sugar that we are adding in here. Once again, grind the cardamoms, dried rose petals, cinnamon, black peppercorns to a fine powder and keep aside in a bowl. Here we shall add the prepared paste to the milk, mix it well and simmer the stove for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we will add the powdered masala and mix well once again. Now as the name suggests, Thandai is not a Thandai without being chilled. So we will place the setup inside a refrigerator for some time, and after that your tasty soothing Thandai is ready to be served chilled. Now here's the bonus for you. Since it's Holi time, if you wish, then you can also add 1 tablespoon of bhang paste along with the other ingredients in step number 1. Don't add this stuff in excess, else take the end product in a pichkari, serve it in glasses and enjoy Holi with your loved ones. Friends, thanks for watching. If you have loved my recipe, then hit that big fat like button, share this video more and more, and consider subscribing to my channel because I will keep sharing exciting recipes with you through my videos.